Recreating the bus from the movie Speed in Public Zeus. Step 1. Go to Eden Editor and place down a civilian van and name it Van. Then place down 6 explosive charges and name it Charge, Charge_1, Charge_2, Charge_3, Charge_4, and Charge_5. Step 2. Go to the video description and copy the use code line, then double click on the van and paste the code into the init box. Part 1 of the code focuses on attaching the charges to the van. We have a tutorial that focuses on how the attachTo function works. Part 2 of the code uses an onEachFrame, which will repeat the code between the curly brackets on each frame. Part 3 of the code uses an if statement, which uses the speed function to check the speed of the van. If the van is traveling equal to or faster than 80 km an hour, then the code between the brackets is executed. Part 4 of the code is another onEachFrame loop, which uses an if statement to check if the van speed now drops below 80 km an hour. If it does, then the code between the square brackets is executed. This code uses the setDamage line, which when set to a 1 will inflict 100% damage to a selected object, in this case, the charges. In summation of the code, the system will keep checking if the van speed goes over 80 km an hour. If the van goes over that speed limit, then the code switches to another loop that will check if the van now goes below 80 km an hour. If the van goes below the speed limit of 80 km an hour, then all the explosive charges will detonate. Step 3. Save the van and the charges as a custom composition and leave Eden Editor. Step 4. Go onto an official Bohemia Public Zeus server with either the name EU0A, 0B, 0C, or 0D. Go to the compositions and empty subcategory and select the saved van, and left click anywhere or press Alt and left click. And that's how you recreate the bus from the movie Speed in Public Zeus. Goodbye.